bathing, whether standing or lying down. Don't put spotlights on your head. Steaming water vapor meets sharp light. Brings vertigo. Can you install downlight? Yes, very common. Evenly illuminate every inch of skin. Suitable for standing up. It is not suitable for lying down. If that's not sophisticated enough, I want to toss the atmosphere. There are niches left. There are two ways to give light. One is to put a low voltage light strip inside. Make a light slot in advance when making the niche. Above, avoid standing water. The transformer is in the ceiling, easy to maintain. The other is to put a spotlight on the top of the niche, suitable for glass laminates. Lights from top to bottom. The bathroom is not only about the washing area and shower area, and then the toilet seat. You can leave the lights alone. You don't have to drill a hole in the ceiling. The surrounding lighting is sufficient. Don't do what hotels do by putting lights on top of toilet. They want to reflect the cleanliness of the sanitary ware. There is no need to imitate at home. I really want to pretend 30 centimeters in front of the toilet with spotlights. 15-degree beam of light, anger 3 watts. Above 2700 K is the bathroom fill light. Liked by young people. Old people can't accept it. Vision loss. Reduced sensitivity to light. They need uniform and bright lighting, depending on the situation at home and the number of bathrooms. The flat lighting of flat lamps can better satisfy the comfort of the elderly. Any questions? We will discuss in the comment area.